I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today, I wanted to talk to you guys about this awesome product that was suggested for me on Facebook. But before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you're hitting the notification part down below so you know when I upload a new video. And make sure to share this video because I'm pretty sure some other person is gonna be interested in it too. Now the product that I'm talking about is from a company called Enova Cosmetics, and it's probably maybe one of the best nail polish kits that I've seen in a really long time. It does come with its own UV cordless light right here, and it comes with gel nail polish that's actually shaped like this. Now depending on what colors you guys decide to get depends on how long it takes for it to dry. It could take up to 30 seconds or 60 seconds. The best part is it's also made in the US and it's also women owned. No base or top coat is needed and it's spill proof and fast drying. Now on the website, colors of course may vary, but I purchased two colors. I purchased a purple and a turquoise. You guys know me, I love turquoise, so I have to get a turquoise. It's just, it has to happen. Mother Nature tells me to get the turquoise, so I have to get the turquoise. Now I will say that this kit is slightly expensive. So for just the kit, which is the nail polish and the LED lamp, is $45.99. Now I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like, wow Jamie, that's really expensive for just one thing of nail polish and the UV light. I completely understand. However, after testing it for about week to 2 weeks, I can see why it's the price that it is. These are gel nail polish, so I don't have to use multiple layers, but maybe two for me to still get the salon quality nail polish that I'm used to. The best part that I feel about it is that since it is spill proof, I can paint my nails in my bed, I can paint my nails in the car, I can even paint my nails on the airplane because it does not have that strong nail polish smell. To be honest, the smell alone is actually pretty minor, to where unless you're like putting on several layers, you won't smell it because it's very light. Now the one thing that I will say to me is that gel nail polish does not get removed from regular nail remover. You actually have to purchase the gel remover that they have on the website, because I did try to use just regular nail polish and it did not work. I was scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and nothing happened. So if you guys are worried about it possibly chipping or falling off like washing dishes or something, I think you're gonna be fine. This is called the Enova Stripped Gel Remover. It does look like this. And what you'll do is you'll just paint your nail as like you're regularly painting, and then you let it sit for a second. It does dry clear, and then you just use a tool to where it lifts up the nail polish. Now for the actual nail polish remover, it is $13.99. So if you do the kit plus the nail polish remover, you're looking at it about $60. After trying it for 2 weeks, I really do think it's a really good buy. So let's show you guys how it works. I purchased two of the gel polish. One actually comes with the kit, and then the other one I paid for. I believe it was $19.99 for the additional one. Again, I understand it's a little pricey, but when you try it out, I think you're gonna be pretty satisfied with it. But this is what the tube looks like. And all you do is you push it forward, and then it comes out like that. Again, you don't need a top coat or a base coat or anything like that, so we're just gonna paint it on. So now I'm gonna take the portable nail lamp that comes with it, and then you have the cord to where you charge it on your laptop if you really wanted to. So here is the first coat. So when you first get the lamp, it'll come into a standby mode. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to hold it in the middle for 2 seconds, blink like that to let you know that it was in the standby mode. Now, when you want to actually start to dry your nails, you'll hit it on the side. You can tell that it's dry. Touching it, nothing's happening. Look at that shine. Well guys, that is it. I hope you guys like this video. I really do like the color. This is like a neon purple and I'm totally digging it. For it to completely dry, and it took less than 30 seconds with the portable UV light. It's so cute. I love it. All you have to do again is hit the middle twice and it'll take it into standby mode. And then all you have to do is hit the side of it, this side, and then it'll bring the UV light. The only thing I would say that I don't like about it, again, is that I have to use their nail gel remover, which again, it's not a biggie, but I'm just like, dang, that sucks. So if I run out of this, I have to order it from the company again. Then again, that's marketing 101. That's how people get you sometimes. But overall, I really do like it, and I think that it's gonna be great. I really do like it. Other than that, I think that the price is slightly a little expensive, but when you go to the nail salon and you're paying for all the stuff that you do, it actually, you're kind of saving a little bit more because you're able to do this at home. I also think it's pretty cool because you're saving more on the product with having to lightly squeeze it out and then paint it on. But that is it, guys. Thanks so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
You are the stranger